Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to adjust display settings in Windows 11. So firstly you have to go to Settings app. To do that, click on the Start menu, click on the Settings in pinned pane. In the left pane of Settings application, click on the System, and here in the first point of list, click on Display. Here you can adjust brightness of your screen by moving the slider. You can turn on or maybe more precisely adjust option of this night light mode. If your monitor supports HDR, you can toggle this HDR and calibrate it. Also in Scale and Layout menu, you can change scale. This will make less or bigger everything, absolutely everything on your screen. You can choose or from the proposed variations, or you can set your own custom scaling, but as it is written here, it can cause text and some apps to become unreadable and unusable. And you also will have to sign out to apply changes of custom scaling. And display resolution, display orientation, you also can change everything yet. And if you have multiple display, you can adjust some options for it. And here in advanced display settings, there is nothing to do for my personal monitor, but if you have some good monitor, maybe you can change refresh rate, but I don't have such options. So it will or default options for your display in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.